Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Natasha. If it is your first time here, today's video I'm going to be putting together this sexy, grungy, smoky eye. So if you're interested in today's video, just keep watching.
Now close your eyes.
I woke up this morning just feeling a smoky eye, so that's what we're going to do today, like a grungy, sexy, smoky, sloppy, smoky eye. I already went ahead and did my brows. I used the Oma Beauty Brow Fro Baby Hair Brow Pencil. This is a really, really good brow pencil, and it is a Black-owned beauty brand, which I love. I love to support. This brow pencil is bomb. I haven't rocked a bold brow in a while, actually. I was surprised with how quick I actually threw it on because I've just been doing brow gel lately. And then I primed my eyes using this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eye Primer. I love this stuff. Most of the time, I don't even prime my eyes, but when I do, I'm using this. So the palette that I want to go in with today, I love this eyeshadow palette, and I feel like it really doesn't get talked about enough. This is the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette. Super cute packaging. Let me open it up and show you the inside. It has a huge mirror, and then here is the color story here. So really great, I think, if you are just like a I want one eyeshadow palette and done, girl, boy, whatever. This is a great, great eyeshadow palette. You got your neutrals, you got a black, some shimmers, some purples, some greens. Like, this is just such a pretty, really nice eyeshadow palette. Honestly, the quality of this palette is amazing. I think the formula of these shadows are different than all of the other Urban Decay palettes. Like, I feel like this performs better than the Naked palettes. I love it. I definitely think it's worth the money. I think it's about like $50, $60, which is expensive. Urban Decay is a high-end brand, but I really think this is worth it. So this is the palette we're going to go in with today. I'm really feeling like this guy right down here, this color in Drift, I think is so pretty, and I really like this guy in Big Sky too. So maybe we'll do a little mix of those on the eye. Let me clip my hair back. I can't do anything with my hair down. Take a little sip of the coffee. And let's just start getting into it. I'm going to go in with this Sephora Pro Crease eyeshadow brush. I've been really loving this brush again. I've kind of just like rediscovered it, been using it all the time. And I'm going to start by going into this top shade right here in Rift and Still Shot right next to it. They're very nice, neutrally brown colors. Still Shot is a little bit more peachy, a little bit more orangey. So I mainly am going to be going in with this shade right here in Rift, but I am going to do just a little mix here. And I love the mirror on this palette. It's so just nice and big. And let's just start building up the crease. These eyeshadows are so pigmented. They blend out so nice. They're so creamy. They're so easy to work with. Even without an eyeshadow primer. Like I said, a lot of times I don't really use an eyeshadow primer just because it's like an extra step. I'm lazy. I don't really mind if like the coloration of my eyelids and like my veins in my eyelids poke out. That doesn't bug me that much. But I will say these shadows work great with or without a primer, which anymore I feel like eyeshadows are being developed to be used with a primer and they get kind of like weird or skippy on the eyelid, but these aren't like that at all. When I'm doing a smoky eye, I really like to bounce back and forth between both eyes rather than just kind of do one whole eye and then do the other eye, because I really want them to match up more than usual. I really want to take my time making sure I'm blending everything out and I don't have one eye that's just like huge and super dramatic and the other eye isn't really matching up. So I like to kind of go back and forth when I'm rocking the smokiness. Okay, so now that I got the crease pretty much where I like it with those transition shades, I'm going to darken it up just a little bit with this shade right here in Good As Gone. It's a really nice, more neutrally chocolatey brown, and I'm going to take that on a Morphe M506 brush, which is just a smaller blending brush. And I'm going to work that into the crease in the outer corner, but I'm going to try to keep that pretty low. One thing that I think is really important when you're doing a more smoky look or even just like a more bold eyeshadow look is to pull your mirror back and kind of look at yourself from far away. I'm really guilty of like holding my mirror up as close as possible to get in there to blend so I can really see what's happening. And then sometimes if I pull back and look at myself, I'm like, what in the hell did I just do? So I would just make sure to, you know, every once in a while kind of hold your mirror a little bit further and kind of compare and look at yourself, because when you get really up close, it's easier to be more critical and to kind of overblend or add more and more because you're looking at it, you know, super close up. You're seeing every little thing, every little imperfection. But when you go further away, you see the big picture. You see really what's going on in there. And usually when you pull back, you need to do less work than what you're doing. So always just remember to pull back a little bit. And I'm just going to go over all of that with that first brush I used, not adding any more product on it, just to make sure that we blend all of the lines together seamlessly. Okay, so I like what we got going on so far here. I am going to take my finger into this bottom shade right here in Drift, and I'm going to place that all over the eyelid where it is a little bit more naked, and then blend that out with a brush. But this is a really pretty, like, gunmetal-y, metallic-y, shimmery shade. If you get this wet, it'll look like foil, but I'm not really going for that, like, foiled look today. I'm going for the more, like, grungy, messy look. So just placing that all over the lid. Such a pretty color. And I am going to take, what brush do I want to take? I'm going to go back in with this Morphe M506 brush I used and slowly start to blend out the edges of that, fade the edges of that. So pretty. I love this eyeshadow palette. So let's do the other side. Okay, so far I am loving this. So pretty, but I do want to add a little bit more of that orangey color to the crease. So I'm going to take that Pro Crease brush and go right back in with the first two shades I used in Rift and Still Shot, and just lightly add that in the upper crease, upper transition area. And I'm using like extremely, extremely light pressure here. I don't want to go in too heavy-handed. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hop off camera real quick and I'm going to do my base. I'm going to do just what I did in my fall base video. I will link it up here, down below, wherever. So if you want to see what I'm doing for that, that's exactly what I'm doing for my base. I'll be right back, and then we'll finish up the eyes and we'll do a lip as well. Okay, so my base is on for the most part. I still gotta set my brows and, you know, spritz my face with some setting mist, but let's go ahead and finish the eyes. I'm gonna go in with this Fenty Beauty eye pencil. This is the Fly Pencil Longwear Pencil Eyeliner in the shade in Big Truffle. It's a really nice kind of half neutral, half cool, half warm brown eyeliner. These are really great eyeliners, and listen, I don't wear eyeliner very often. It's not really my thing, but I'm going to line the rim of my upper waterline and my bottom waterline. Now, my eyes always water like crazy when I do eyeliner, so we'll see how this goes. But this is a really, really nice eyeliner, and I actually really like the shape of it. It is a triangle shape, so it feels really nice in my hand. So let's go ahead and get a little eyelining going on here. I wanted to do a brown liner instead of a black because my skin is so pale and I have light eyes. I feel like a darker brown or a gray liner suits me better than a black. I gotta get so close to the mirror to do eyeliner. Whew. I am watering. Okay. Now that our eyes are lined, I am gonna go in with a pencil brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade right here, Good Is Gone, and take that really tight up against my lash line, and then I'm going to take those two top shades in Rift and Still Shot and blend that out. This is a Morphe M455 pencil brush. A little heavy on that side. Okay, and then I'm going to take, what brush do I want? I'm going to take this e.l.f. brush. This is a e.l.f. blending brush. It is a thinner blending brush, but it has kind of a little bit of a point to it, and that's what I'm going to use to blend out the lower lash line with that Rip and Still Shot shade. Alright, how are we looking? I really, really love a good, messy, grungy, smoky eye. I just find that it's like more sexy to me when it looks a little bit like, I don't think haggard is the right word, but like more messy, more like I've been out all night, I've been doing things, maybe I've cried once or twice. Like that's the type of smoky eye I really like. Very much so like Euphoria vibes. Or like Skins. Do you guys remember that TV show? I loved Skins. And I actually want to do a little pop of color in this eye look. So I'm going to take a different pencil brush. This is from BH Cosmetics, and I am going to dip into this color right here in Big Sky. It's a really pretty like teal blue gunmetal-y color. I'm just going to go right in with that pencil brush. And I'm going to take that in the inner corner area. So pretty. Yeah, I really, really love how that adds just a little pop of color right there in the middle. I think that looks really, really pretty. All right, let's set the brows. I'm just going to use a little bit of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Okay. And let's set the face. I'm going to go in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and then over that with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Mist.
Ryan Little.
and throw on some mascara. The Urban Decay Lash Freak you already know. And then we'll come and we'll do the lip. Not even gonna lie to you guys, I just poked myself in the eye with my mascara wand. Ouch! One of the worst makeup things you can do. Oh my god, my eye is going through it right now. Let's go ahead and do the lip. I'm gonna do a nude lip. Nude lip works best with a smoky eye. I'm gonna go in with my favorite nude lip combo. So I am going to line my lips using these two liners. This is the Flower Beauty Petal Pout Lip Liner in the shade Toffee, and then this is the Kokie Cosmetics Retractable Lip Liner in the shade Warm Nude. I'm first going to go in with this Flower Beauty one and kind of overline on the top and the bottom, and then I'll go in with this one and fully line my lips. So let's start with the Flower Beauty. You guys, my eye is like really irritated right now. Alright, and then let's hit it with the Kokie liner. And then I'm going to go over that with my favorite nude lipstick. This is the Hot Lips 2 in Angel Alessandra from Charlotte Tilbury, my all-time favorite nude lip. So pretty. And then let's top that with a little bit of gloss. This is the Thrive Cosmetics gloss in the shade Ruth. Pretty. Okay, let's take the hair down. Look at myself. This is exactly what I woke up feeling like today. I'm feeling good right now. You look good, you feel good. I'm loving this smoky eye. I will have all of the products I used listed in the description box down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment or a thumbs up. Let me know how you feel about this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post here every Tuesday and Friday. So thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!